In May 2020, Rochester Regional Health opened the Geneva Medical Campus, its newest multi-specialty destination facility located at 875 Pre-Emption Road in Geneva. After an extensive renovation project, people in the Geneva area can now visit a growing primary care practice, Geneva Family Medicine. The project also allowed Rochester Regional Health to bring in a wide range of new clinical specialists. Now, some of the area's leading experts in allergy and rheumatology, ear, nose, and throat, endocrinology, diabetes and nutrition counseling, general surgery, gastroenterology, neurosurgery, and vascular surgery are right in the Geneva community. The Geneva Medical Campus remains the longtime home to one of Rochester Regional Health's Finger Lakes bone and joint locations, offering orthopedic care, sports medicine, and orthopedic urgent care. The campus is also home to the region's only true open MRI. To learn more about the new Rochester Regional Health Geneva Medical Campus or make an appointment with one of its specialists, visit rochesterregional.org/Geneva Campus.